Okay, this time of year in the winter we sell an awful lot of garden spreaders, particularly for salting, gritting, getting rid of the ice in car parks and in driveways and paths around the garden. Thing with always with a garden spreader being used for salt is that with rock salt, when it gets wet, it will start to clog and none of them will be able to spread it. It needs to be dry. There's plenty of other things like white salt or Ice Magic, that will work no problem at all, as I'm going to show you. But the grit has got to be, or the rock salt has got to be fairly dry. If it starts clogging up, you'll have a problem. How they work is very simple. You've got three, in this particular model, you've got 3 holes in the bottom. The holes are opened or closed with a lever on the handlebar. That will dictate the flow of material through, and then a spinning wheel at the bottom of the machine will fling it around the car park. So holes in the bottom, you can reduce or increase the hole at that, which increases the flow rate. For rock salt, you're probably going to want it very wide open. In fact, some of the dedicated rock salt spreaders will have very extra wide holes at the bottom and probably a conical shaped hopper to really force it down through it. But these ordinary garden spreaders will be fine for salt, particularly white salt, Ice Magic and dry rock salt. That will be no problem. We sell hundreds of them without a problem. So to demonstrate how it works, this is the ice melt product, and as you can see, it's very granulated. Pour it into the bottom, and this should work very easily. I'm going to have to move off. I've only got a small bit in the bottom, but it will demonstrate quite nicely. As you move off, you can open up the thing and it spreads it around.